What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Should be an interesting day. Still trying to wake up here, guys. So right now I'm basically just watching YYGH and XPON. Good morning, Tam Master. How are you? How'd everybody do yesterday? You guys saw I was red, or I was green yesterday, about $10. Yeah, it was a battle. It was a battle. I traded pretty much the same way. I've been trying to stick to the game plan, and the game plan is reset. Get back to you know, feeling comfortable again. Doing good yesterday. It was a rough day, buddy. Down 850, but turned it around and ended up 250. Ah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, yesterday was tough. It was tough. I gave back when I shouldn't have. On one of them, I got a little excited. Mitchell, what's up, the Crusher? He crushed it. Crushed it yesterday. Here's DDC right now, making some moves. 80-cent stock. DDC, where are you gonna go and why are you doing it? That's what I'd like to know. Yeah, today's gonna be a little. It's gonna be a little slow, I think, at the beginning here. There's a good amount of stuff happening today in the market that are good. That's gonna keep things a little hot. There's a little gap at 95 cents on DDC. A little bit bigger float. It's only done $1 million in trading right now on an average of 253. Yeah, STOT's moving again. I believe it's 19 bucks. Let's see, STOT $20 now. Yeah, STOT's moving again. There's the targets on the screen on that one again. These have hit multiple times. So previous resistance, previous support, boom, boom, boom. Just hit 2130 there. What's up, Rio Stowell? Thank you for joining from the post. Appreciate it. Cree, haven't touched anything yet this week. How's your head? How's your headache? Your headache feeling better? Let's go, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. The more likes, the more sharing, the more awake I get. VEEA. I believe they got in trouble for with the NASDAQ. If this is if that's the one I'm thinking about, I don't know. I could be wrong. Let me pull them up real quick here. Remember the new rules. The new rules are there, but they're basically guidelines because, you know, if the oh my God, this thing's nuclear. This thing is nuclear. It literally does not have one no on my little trap checklist. They have a 424B5. They filed August 13th. ATM equity distribution language. That one is a big red flag. VEEA. Big red flag. I don't even know why I'm looking at it. Because it's jumping around. That's why. Because it's jumping around. Quick levels on VEEA. I mean, maybe 18.76, something like that. TP1, TP2, you're going to be looking about 21, 22. Go 22 there. Next one after 22. If it picks up some more speed, you're probably going to get stuck. You're probably going to get stuck about 24 and change. I know it's not a big move, but you know, it's dangerous. Can you guys hear me okay? I don't know how loud I'm supposed to talk. Man, 17 people in here. We've already spent 9 minutes together, and there's only 17 people in here. Somebody's sleeping. PLAB jumped around. PLAB float is 56 million. It's a $30 stock. It's expansive. There's 17 on VEEA. VEEA. Yeah, there you go. 2 E's. DAIC moving again as well. 632 so far. 659. There you go. DAIC just made some moves. Just broke out of its little pattern here. I don't know if you guys can see on my screen. Oh wait, I got 2 screens, 2 charts. Sorry, my bad. Let's change it into one. There you go. Let's go DAIC. DAIC just broke out. As you can see, its resistance was sitting right here. This little area was its little area of resistance. Right here. This was its little area of resistance right about there. and that is about, what, 15 cents. Yeah, that's its little area of resistance right there. Yep, DAIC on the screen. So let's see, where's my clicker? So you guys, can you guys see the big pattern, the little pattern? This is what you guys got to look for when you're looking at charts. When you're looking for stuff, you got to look for patterns. Patterns are the way of the future. So right here you have one saggy booby, two saggy boobies. Here you have one saggy booby, two saggy boobies. And then it goes, right? So that's pretty much what we're looking for here. We're looking for these double bottoms. These double bottoms are a good way to look at stocks. When you draw your trend line, you draw support and resistance, and you watch for them to break out. Now that's how I play. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see. I think there we go. I think everything's okay. Nothing shifted. All right. So again, it's pushing up against that resistance right there. You draw your line. You know where it's got to break. Now, am I doing the right thing or wrong thing? Drawing up my charts like this, it doesn't really matter as long as it makes sense to me. Now, again, beginners, just beginners, man. Beginners need to learn. It doesn't matter what everybody else thinks. It matters what you think. And I'll tell you, trading is a group thing. Trading is a group thing. You follow the herd, follow the trend, right? Because the trend is your friend, and we play price action. And currently, people are saying, "Hey, let's go, right? Let's make this move up." They're putting money in it, so they're in it. They're going. I give you guys targets, but I can't give you targets on it. But I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm not in it, but I'm happy. You guys know I'm happy when targets hit. When targets hit, I'm happy. When they don't, I'm kind of just like, what the fuck? You guys got to look for your base hits. Don't look for your home runs. They'll come. Home runs will come. For sure. What's up, Miguel? Thanks for following. Appreciate it. Tommy Gunn, what's up? Why? Tommy, are you asking me a question? Why? Bum, 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 bum. Thank you, Cree. Thanks for sharing the live. Yep, target, right? That makes me happy. Cree, did your headache go away? Are you good? And this PLAB thing. All right, now I'm interested. Now I'm interested in looking at it. PLAB starting to rally. It's a bigger stock, 34 bucks right now. Currently at resistance. Its resistance is about 30 bucks. 30 what is this thing? It was 34.56. It's got another little resistance here at 35. If it could break that resistance, you're going to go 35.78. It breaks that resistance, you're going to go 36.84. Any gaps up here? Man, it jumped off a cliff over there. Whew. Sheesh. 38.62. All right, it's lined out. I'm gonna get into it a little bit here, a little closer. All right, so it's lined out. Targets are on the screen. So this is resistance right here, red. Resistance, target 1, target 2, and target 3. Jesus, I didn't hit the right one on this second one. All right, so there are your targets on this one. Your support on this one's going to be right back here. So that is your farthest support. Your closest support is going to be right about... yeah, right about here. So your two supports. This is how I recommend you guys chart. This is how I recommend people look at stuff. So you put up two supports for yourself. You put up one resistance and then your targets. So 2, 1, and then 3 above. You could even do 3 below. 3 above, 3 below. Here's your next support after that. So there you go. So now you know, like, hey, okay, if it breaks this one, I know it's going down to volume weighted average price. If it breaks this one, I know it's going down here. And it all matters about your pain threshold. That's what it is. So two things in the market, you have fear and greed. All right, what's your fear? Your fear is it's going to drop. The averaging down, the I just wanted a better position, that kind of crap. Yeah. Be careful with that today. Oh. We don't need to fight it. Just let everything flow. Yeah, no, I don't see it, Cree. I don't see your comment. I do see the target, smile, target, smile, target, smile. That's weird. Maybe we have to go through the filter, the filtered words on there. If you want to take a look at that. Yeah, that's weird. I don't see them about the same. I wonder how many comments are getting filtered. I'm just not seeing them. It's pissing people off, and maybe they're not coming back. Curious. We got this thing dialed in right now for that, but we gotta get it right. Shit's settings. There we go. Where the fuck's it going? There it is. Chat. Cold running. What? Wow, there are some there are some weird words in here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna fix that right now. I'm gonna fix that right now. Right now, we're just gonna go bare knuckles here. All right, all the words are out. I took all the filters out. Sorry, I have to do this right now, but if people aren't, their comments aren't coming through. I can see your comments now, yeah. Show messages only from followers. Oh, look at that. I can select who I get to see messages from. Ah, that's funny. I wonder if I trip that, maybe there'll be more followers me doing that. Right now, all we're watching is DAIC. We're watching this PLAB to see if it can break through 35, hit 35.78, and up and up and up. But what's the news? That's the important part. Press release. Photronics reports third quarter results. Okay, so third quarter results. That's a good thing. CDTG. CDTG has been just a. It's fucked around so much. All right, Again, there's its resistance. You see how many times it's hit here on a 1 minute chart. Look at a 5 minute chart just to kind of trim that down for you. This is almost like a cup and handle. It is currently at the lip of that candle. Can't Jesus, candle. At the lip of that cup. Cup and handle. Did I say cup and candle? Again, something's the matter with something's the matter with me. All right, I think that's good. I don't think I have a save button on here. I don't think I need to hit anything like that. But that should be it. That should be good. We should be able to see everything. You guys should be able to see everything. What's up, Brent Unleashed? Maybe that was the problem. Maybe all those damn words. People were commenting the whole time and I just can't see it. All right, let's check the comments real quick. Why don't you type in the comments, J-Rock is the best, and we'll see if it works. Just kidding. All right, look at this. So we have CDTG, Megan's move up. All right, you can see it's got a lot of resistance up here. There it goes. Just broke through that resistance. Your target on this one, if it can get through that 50, because remember, 150 is also a solid resistance area. Always. 150, $2, $1, that kind of stuff is always resistance. So we're looking for 184. All right, I'm gonna partake here. We'll see. It broke 150 pretty strong. Oh Jesus, I bought too many. Shit. What the? Oh, you know what? I forgot to change that. Oh, damn it. Well, hopefully that mistake doesn't screw me too badly. I forgot to change my fucking buttons. God dang it. Oh well. Let's see. Let's see if we get saved here. These were previous targets here on CDTG. Damn, I hate doing that. So you got too many things going on at once. J-Rock is the GOAT. Thanks, Brent. Thanks, Cree. Oh man, I just made a mistake though. That sucks. Hopefully this mistake is it fixes itself, and hopefully this thing wants to keep going here. Look at that. I got in at 169. I bought 100 shares accidentally. It was supposed to be 20 shares. This is like the biggest loss I've taken on any stock this week. So let's see if it rebounds off of volume weighted average price, or if I'm just going to be holding this for a little bit. Damn. All right, there's another Forex guy getting blocked. Peace out, Forex guy. Yep. And damn, $32 down. Well, fuck. Oh well. Let's see. Maybe it'll get another little lift off here. Maybe it'll get my first target. Gets my first target. We're good. Hold the VWAP. We're good. Man. There's a lesson learned there, guys. Make sure when you got your hotkeys set up, make sure your bid and your sell, make sure you've got the right quantity in there before you hit that button. Yeah, I just fudged up. Let's see if I get saved though. I don't like the way this looks. Drink your coffee before you push any buttons. You wiener. Alright. Alright, where's my supports? Why is my button's not working here? Hello? Hello? I want my lines. Where'd my lines go? See that? Okay, they're not working there either. Damn it. Damn it all to hell. All right. Well, we'll just keep an eye on it. It is early. We'll see if it wants to move. Hopefully the right direction. Here's one moving again. That PLAB hit 35. PLAB hit 35 right there. So that's resistance. Let's see if I can break through and get that 35.78. There's another lesson, guys. There's another lesson for you. Hopefully this lesson doesn't cost me more than I want it to. Come on, CDTG. Rebound. ZCMD is moving a little bit. It's at 85 cents. Looks like ZCMD just needs to break through about 92 cents. Break that 92 $1. Good move. Good volume already for the morning. Oh damn. It's fucking oh well. Mistakes. And that's what we're trying to avoid. We're trying to avoid doing these types of mistakes. Look at this. I'm already down 43 cents. 43 cents per share. I have 100 shares, so there you go. I'm down $42 because I made a boo-boo. Now I'm gonna die on my sword here. I'm basically gonna ride it and see what happens. Yep. Hopefully it comes back. I mean, it's been fickle, you know. Look at the 30. It did these not long ago. We were waiting for that explosion again. Never got it. But here. Now we're just gonna wait. I just gave back the money I made on it this week. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't end up hurting me too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and put a sell at 197 just to make sure I've got this stuff dialed in here. We're gonna do up at 18. What are we doing? 187. 197. It's at 136. It's 50. So that one can be 30 shares. We're going to sell 30 shares there. We're going to do at TP1, we're going to do 50. 50 there. All right, we'll see if it wants to get there. And then we're going to do the other. We're going to do 20 shares up here. 226. Let's do that. We'll do that. We'll do 20 shares there. All right, so now we got it lined up. God, hope this works out and it doesn't ruin it. Because had a good day yesterday and one fuck up, man. I swear to God, one fuck up. That would suck. All right, I'm gonna steer my attention away from this thing because, damn. Make sure you're awake before you start trading. RPGL. All right, RPGL, even though it's slow and doesn't have a whole lot of volume, RPGL is trading in a channel. So you can see right here, DAIC still moving nicely. So we can go here. Boop, just line up the peaks on a 30-minute chart. Draw yourself the line so you're ready when it does move. Actually, it's more of a rising wedge type situation here on this one. You guys will notice that I'll take and I'll move. I'll move my lines accordingly. There is another one of them. Block. Jesus. Am I that important that people want to come in here and and move their forex around? Sheesh. All right, LANV is starting to move right here. LANV, it's only 5,000 shares traded so far. 32,000 average. Its float's 26 million. Come on, CDTG, come back up for me. All right, so this one's getting some volume for some reason. They just dropped some news. Hey, I got my lines back, but now they're stuck. Reports revenue. Okay. Come on, CDTG. All right, so this is LANV. So here's where it was. Dropped below $1. Looks like earnings are shit. Or people are just selling off. 31. It's got a lot of gaps. Watch for that volume to pile in. The volume piles in. Cool. CDTG's moving back up for me a little bit here. 40s. Okay. Well, wouldn't that be great? Let's see if the stock gods bless me today. NEXR buying opportunity. Well, I don't know about that, Brent. Let's try to keep away from words that would steer people to buy a certain stock because of a certain, feeling you have. Because you never know, man. You could have just had some bad food last night, and maybe that feeling is just, my tummy ache or something. I try to keep it clean in here. I don't want beginners thinking that, hey, because somebody says it's a great buying opportunity, that it is a great buying opportunity. People have to decide that on their own because none of us are financial advisors. XPON just took a huge dip. Just broke support. XPON did. 592. Yo, what's up, the one squib? PLAB has not broke 35 yet. Still waiting. SDOT sitting at 1942. Come on, CDTG. Let's go. Please wake up. RVSN making some moves again. Where'd you go? Where'd you disappear to? There's RVSN jumping around. All right, let's see. Do we have any targets on this thing from before? Rail Vision. Oh God, this one right here for me. This one needs to be frickin' red. I don't know why I don't even have it marked. Yeah, this one's a bad boy for me. This one doesn't do good for me ever. This is a true pump and dumper. No joke. This one pumps, news, dumps real quick. God, I'm almost afraid to give numbers on this thing. Here's TP1 right here. That's TP1, that's TP2, so 648, 737, 730. Currently it's messing around with this 550. Those are your targets for right now. Yeah, Rail Vision is a dangerous one. They pump news, dilute, pump news, dilute, reverse split. Now it's going to be a little harder for them to fuck around. I have do not trade on my screen too. That one. Yeah. So this is how I want to market. So basically I'll do a box. You do your box, right? And then you can go ahead and do that. You can right click on this box here. Or when you just click on it, you can go settings. And you can put in like where it goes to. So I'll put like $100. And then the bottom point, you can put like 0.001 or 0.01, 1 penny. And then extension to the right. And you're done. And watch. Now you just make that like a dark red or something so it's not blinding you. And now whenever you come into this thing, you go on the daily, like you just see that. So that tells you, hey, don't fucking touch it. Because this thing is no joke. It's been a mess. This thing's been a mess. Look at this. Oh, there it is, right there. Right there. There's my writing. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing's been rough. Look at this. This is, do I need to say more? Look at that. Boom, 23.37, straight back down. Pump, dump, pump, dump. Pumped, held it, and then dumped. Okay, so that's not bad. But look. Look at this thing. This thing. For how long this thing's been around, it's just, wow. Alright, so that's, man, I think my kid got me sick. I think I got a little cold. And there's, you know, need I say more? And right now it's probably even worse. Come on. You're going to break that 35 and get TP1. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's see. Is she going to do it? Oh, there we go. There's 3507. Can she do it? Can she break and hold above 35? There's 3510. All right, CDTG coming back up for me a little bit here. CDTG 145. Let's go, baby. Come on. Get those targets. Make a little mistake into a happy victory. Let's go, guys. Throw some fireballs in the chat. Let's get the chat a little pumped here. I gotta clean out my followers, or not my followers, my I gotta clean out my friends, the people I follow, and I gotta add everybody that's in, you know, with me. Oh, here we go again. There we go. Oh my God, how many people are gonna come in here pushing their shit? It's amazing. Come on, CDTG. So notice CDTG's having a problem with 150. Come on, baby. Sorry about the throat clearing. Like I said, I think my kid got me a little sick. I'm a sickie. It's gonna be real hard getting through the week if I got sick. Oh my God. Support your local trader, guys. Stop paying attention to it. When you do, you make a drop. Hey, I still haven't seen any of your comments on any of my videos there, two down on TikTok. Man, what the heck? Where's the support for my little brother? Really? Yeah, really. I'm trying not to watch it, but it's moving up, so it's good. Oh. Man, so many things are just having a rough time today. DAIC moved nicely, 688. That was a good move earlier. Oh my God, there we go. There's another one. Wow. Really? Buy gold. Okay, sure, man. Thanks for the financial advice. You're blocked. Just saw your last one of you sitting down like you in Hawaii. Ha ha ha. Yeah, right? Man, after a hard day's work, you need some place to just go chill. Hey, look at this two down. Look at this one right here. Oops. This one right here. Look at this one. Look what it's doing. On a little bit of a move here. Look at that. On a 1 minute chart. Look what this thing's doing. It's got very little volume right now so far. Republic Power Group. What else is moving? Yeah, I think a lot of stocks are just sitting on their hands. It's today after hours should be fun. It should be a good after hours today. Look at that. What did I tell you guys? 35, huge resistance. Look, 35.10, couldn't get through it. Couldn't get through it. Couldn't get through it. Couldn't get through it. That's a triple top, and then back down to volume weighted average price. I'll probably tap 35 again. Look at that MACD just having problems. Sheesh. All right, let's see. 35 again. Only 194,000 shares traded on this PLAB. What did I say? They had earnings or something? Third quarter. Oh, man. I hate that I made that mistake. You guys got to make sure when you got your hotkeys set. Oh, you guys couldn't even see because it's all the way up here. But yeah, I had my hotkeys set at 100, and usually I have it set at 20, and I hit buy, and I bought CDTG. I bought 100 shares when that's 5 times what I wanted to buy of it. So, damn, that sucks. LBGJ making some moves, pushing volume weighted average price. LBGJ. For those of you that are thinking of switching over to PDT, to margin, thinking about PDT rules and things like that, pattern day trader rules. Damn it, did it wrong again. There's a video out that I put out on PDT. It explains a little bit more for people that don't know. So you guys can see 430 has been a really tough spot for this thing. That could be like TP3. You can call this one right here. That's probably TP. Right there, 382. Yeah, that sounds about right. 382. And then in between here, got these guys right here. God, I wish my fucking screen worked right now. It's a little irritating. 407. There we go. So that's TP2, TP1, TP2, TP3. Let's see if she can break through VWAP. Breaks through VWAP, picks up momentum, breaks through all that. So far, she's rode the float once. CRE jumping. Yep, I've seen that. CRE 636. Broke through all these previous supports and resistance. Here's a 30-minute. Why is it moving? I don't see any catalysts up here. I got nothing. But it's just rolled a float basically twice, 2.5 times. 3 times, almost 3 times. All right. 791. There's 711. Could be a support. All right, here's another support right here. Looking unhealthy right now. It's looking unhealthy. Yeah, we can get rid of. Fuck it, we'll keep them. We'll just take them out of the way here. All right. Any questions, concerns, anything? I'm not accepting any guests right now, so there you go. All right, let's see. So, gonna get to it. There's one. There's two. All right, it's got good movement, good momentum. Volume's piping hot. I'd like to know what's going on with it. Does it have any toxic stuff in the background? So for me, it's easy. I just go to trap detector on my website. CRE. Look at this, so easy. So I just go here. I go to Jrockstocks.com. I go to trap detector. I type in CRE. It says caution, trap risk. Okay. What's the score? 23 out of 100. That's not bad at all. All right, let's see. Is it going to get TP1? It's at, there we go. TP1. There she goes. All right, so what's wrong with it, right? What is wrong with it? Look at that. No, 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 no. I like it when we see a lot of green on this side here. We know it's a penny stock. That's what we play. Recent catalyst. This was today. Ugly filings can become trap setup. Okay, so there's nothing. Nothing. Reverse split language detected. That was April 24. 20F. Let's see. Wednesday 26. CRE Enterprise Limited reports record number of customers served for the first half of 2026. So that's the news that came out. That makes sense. That came out 8 minutes ago. 8 minutes ago. All right. So there you have it. That's why that did that. Man. CDTG, you're starting to be a pain in my ass. Oh, CDTG just eat me up. I'm down $43 right now. Son of a bitch. Look at that. Broke the trend line, everything. God dang it. One mistake. One mistake. Yep. Good morning, Empath, and you going live after hours? I don't know, man. I don't know. No idea. No idea. Man, all the usual suspects are almost in here. Damn it, man. Fucking A. This is going to bug me all day. It's going to bug me all day. That's a fucked up situation there. I need more coffee. I'll be right back. God damn it, 50 bucks. Fuck you, CDTG. All right, so what am I doing now that's wrong? What am I doing wrong right now? Hey, no problem, Night Owl. You got to miss one of my mistakes. The on screen is my mistake. It was supposed to be 20 shares, but I bought 100 accidentally. Yep. And now this piece of shit, I don't see this thing stopping. Honestly, I feel like it can't hold. It's going to come back under $1. That's going to cost me. I'm going to take $100 loss on this stupid thing if I let it. You know? I mean, hopefully that's the reversal. You know we like these types of candles when they pop up. Look right here, look right here. Those are little reversals. Hopefully this is a reversal. It can get back through its trend line. And it can get back through volume weighted average price. But at this moment, this thing does not look good. Wow, look at that. That's spamming. I mean, I'm gonna report him for spamming, but it's like, is it gonna do anything? Fucking TikTok sucks at realizing that these guys are in here doing what they're doing. You took your loss on CDTG. You jumped in. There you go. You're blocked, BAI. You know what? I should go into BAI's site and just start posting. Hey, check me out over here. Check me out. Chode. All right, let's go find something else. CRE. Look at that. CRE. Oh, they missed that top target there. All right, nice little bounce off the VWAP. Pushed up, hit 825. Our target was 860. Let's see if it bounces off of VWAP one more time. Oh, you took a loss on VEEA. Yeah. Guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, no. Took DAIC for 100. Good job, Nick. Let's go, guys. Throw some fireballs in the chat. Let's turn this day around. I'm down $46 currently because of a dumb mistake, right? Hopefully you guys learned something from that mistake and that loss isn't for nothing. And that mistake is plain and simple, guys. Plain and simple. Before you hit buy, make sure your order is what you want it to be. And when you have hotkeys set up, like I do, I didn't even have to confirm it. I didn't have to confirm it. Look, check it. Check it out. What's it all about? So right under here, look. Oops, let me click back here. See? So my quantity was set for 100. Oh, whoa, what the hell? Where'd my shit go? I'm back. Come back. Whoa, what happened? All right, yeah, if you look when I'm on here, you can see right about here, you see I had it set at 100, so all I had to do is push A, and it buys me in, and that's what happened. I didn't have it set at 20, which is what I thought I had it set at, 20 shares, because I'm trying to keep the position size small so I don't get emotional and keep it light. Currently, I'm failing at that right now with this fucking CDGT crap. All right, SOGP making some moves here. SOGP, slow mover, no volume, 4,000 shares so far. Average volume is 15,000 shares, so keep an eye on this one to make some moves. It makes some moves, and then there you go, you got it. Come on, Cree. CRE. Remember, draw your trend lines. Those will help you. Here's a oldie but goodie. NUWE. Big old cup. Nice big move to 129 and then back down to volume weighted average price. I think it's going to come back down here again. I don't like the way that this traded right here. This consolidation is kind of like no volume. It's only done 3.6 million. Average volume's 3 million. Float's only 3.42. So that's a good thing. You want those numbers to be somewhat in line. There we go. Just broke through VWAP. Let's see if it stops down here at 107. It breaks $1. Be careful. Yeah, today's going to be one of them days. I'm going to be watching CDTG all day long, trying to just make a little bit of money back. $48 down. We're currently on it. Fuck, man. Let's see. What would make me feel better? What would make me feel better? Well, we haven't. I've been on 55 minutes, and we're at 4,700 likes. So we're not even at we're not even at 100 likes per minute. So that's a little sad. Fuck you, CDTG. I shouldn't say that. I should say fuck me. You know, fuck me. Jrock, fuck you. What the hell, man? What the hell? You're doing so good. You're going to take the biggest loss of the week today on CDTG. YYGH doing the steps down. Where will it stop? It's under VWAP now. I wonder if it's going to come back down to right about 184. 184 sounds about right. Man, so many stocks are just up and then straight down. CRE doing good, still pushing. So there's your supporting trend line. It's in a nice steady uptrend. I just lost big money, bro. What'd you do, Mitchell? Fuck. What did you do? What'd you get into? Ticker is on the screen, my friend. Sorry, I'm tainted. Yeah, ticker's on the screen, man. Or woman. What are you talking about? Which one I made a mistake on? CDTG. It's costing me 56 bucks right now. Fucker's dropping below $1. What a piece of shit. God damn it. Oh, this is great. This is fucking great. Oh yeah, that's great news. HRT Financial reports disposal of 2052 CDT Environmental Technology Investment Holdings common shares worth, like, who cares? That's $2,790. You gotta be kidding me. That's not fucking big news. That's fucking stupid. Oh, man. Well, we'll see what this does into open, and hopefully I can make some of that money back. Keep an eye on CRE. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. I get to go. We hit 5,800 likes. So thank you guys for trying and getting that up there. I appreciate it. I'm going to go to the Discord and lick my wounds in there. We'll see if NUWE can make some more moves here. And I got a tough task if CDTG can't get back up. I got a tough task to make back 52 bucks. Hopefully I can break even, if not make a couple bucks today, but we'll see. All right, guys, if you don't know how to get to the Discord, go to my website and subscribe to the full access. It's very inexpensive. If you like what I do, then support me. Support what I do. I put videos up every fucking day. I talk about things like PDT, I talk about margin, I talk about all sorts of things. I talk about how I get fucked. I talk about how I do good. Look at Soar. Soar's soaring, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Can Soar get up there? Woo! Let's see. All right. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. It's been 1 hour. Peace. Go to jrockstocks.com. Check it out. Peace. Thanks for hanging out. Night Owl, Tan Master. Thank you guys.